Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club. This is Palak and today we are going to solve the question watermelon, which is from Codeforces beta round 4. So the problem statement states that on one hot summer day, Pete and his friend Billy decide to buy a watermelon. They chose the biggest and the ripest one in their opinion. After that, the watermelon was weighed and the scales were shown W kilos. They rushed home, dying of thirst, and decided to divide the berry. However, they faced a hard problem. Pete and Billy are great fans of even numbers. That's why they want to divide the watermelon in such a way that each of the two parts weighs even number of kilos. At the same time, it is not obligatory that the parts are equal. The boys are extremely tired and want to start their meal as soon as possible. That's why you should help them and find out if they can divide the watermelon in a way they want. Okay, so the problem statement say that we will be giving a weight, any number, and we have to see if we can divide that number in even parts or not. In the code, the input statement are we are only given a W number, which is the weight of the watermelon, which is between 1 and 100, and we have to output yes if we can divide it and no otherwise. So the fact here is we can divide only even numbers in even parts like 4. It is since it is not obligatory to divide in equal parts, so we can divide 8 in 4 or 4 or 6 and 2 or 2 or 6 any time anyways. But 9 is an odd number. We cannot divide an odd number in even parts. But there is an exception which is 2. 2 is an even number, but we can divide 2 in odd parts. So we have to take an exception of 2 in our code. So the code for this following question is this. We took a number which is W. We saying that, so we did an exception statement that if W is equals to 2, then we have to see out no, that we cannot divide it into even parts. But if this is the statement for odd numbers that W when divided by 2 gives an remainder which is not equals to 0, then we have to see out no. In all the other cases, which is even number except 2, we have to see out yes. So this is the code. Let's try to submit this code and see if our logic is right. So here I copy pasted the solution. And you can see that it is the right solution. Thank you for joining everyone.